Joe.
What's up, everybody? So as you guys seen last time, the cat pissed on Uncle Joe. This time the cat's gonna shit on Uncle Joe. Let's see his reaction.
Be careful with him, don't let him get hurt.
Hurry up. What are you doing, Joe?
Oh,
What are you doing? The cat come to see you.
and let me hold it. Let me hold it.
You want to hold it?
Yeah.
Oh my God, Joe. It's fine. Joe, you wanted to hold it. Oh my, no, Joe, he's shitting.
Oh, God.
He's got diarrhea.
Oh, son of a bitch!
He's got diarrhea.
Get it out of my face!
He's got diarrhea.
Son of a bitch!
He fucking shit on you, Joe. I told you, he had diarrhea coming out. Oh my God.
Fuck.
It's all over
Oh my
you.
God.
I'm not cleaning this
Oh
shit
my
out.
God.
It's all over your Joe. No, fucking
Give me a towel or something.
Go in the bathroom. Oh my God, Joe. Let me see.
Oh my God, it stinks.
Turn the light on. Wait, Joe. Joe, what happened?
The cat shit on me. That's what happened.
Why did it shit on you? Did you scare it?
It's fucking shit on your face, Joe.
Oh my God.
Does it stink?
Yeah. It's in my
Oh,
hand.
you got some on your mouth, Joe.
Ew.
Hmm?
You got some on your mouth.
Oh, Joe.
Joe.
Keep going.
Round two, motherfucker.
Round two. Joe, you getting it?
I got it.
The fucking cat's shitting again.
No, no, come on. No,
It's fucking shitting, Joe.
Oh, it's calling me. It's calling me. It's calling.
It's shitting, Joe.
Ow, 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 ow.
Joe, oh
Oh my God.
That's good.
No, it's not. It was
That ain't
That
fun.
cat just shit again, Joe. I went and picked it up because it was shit.
We promise it's not fudge.
Joe, what are your
It's got
thoughts?
diarrhea, Joe. Did you feed the cat something?
No.
That's shit. I swear that's shit.
Taste it, Joe.
No.
Taste it.
You gonna give me a cigarette?
Yeah, I'll give you one.
Just taste it, Joe, because I got some on me already. I don't want to clean it up. Just taste
No.
it. It's just
Taste
shit.
Ew.
Yeah, you believe me now, don't you, Joe? That's shit. Yeah. Yeah. That ain't fudge, is it? Shit.
All right, everybody. What we used was some Nutella and some vinegar as our main substance. Please like, subscribe, comment, share, and comment some prank ideas like I said.
Joe, are you hungry?
No.
Joe,
sure?
it was a prank.
Yeah,
It was a prank.
Oh my God, Joe, it's right there too. It is.
It tasted nasty, didn't it, Joe?
Anyway, later, everybody.
Did you really think the cat
Peace.
shit on you, Joe?
No.